Introduction to Best Practices for Bill.com API SDK. The Bill.com API SDK is a powerful tool for automating accounting tasks and integrating with other applications. To get the most out of the Bill.com API SDK, it is essential to follow best practices for development, security, and performance. Step 1. Setting up your environment. To start using the Bill.com API SDK, you need to set up your environment by installing the SDK and obtaining an API key. The API key is used to authenticate your requests and ensure that only authorized applications can access your account. Step 2. Understanding API endpoints. The Bill.com API SDK provides a wide range of endpoints for different tasks such as creating invoices, paying bills, and retrieving account information. Understanding the available endpoints and their parameters is crucial for building efficient and effective integrations. Step 3. Handling errors and exceptions. Error handling is a critical aspect of working with the Bill.com API SDK. You should always check for errors and exceptions and handle them accordingly to prevent your application from crashing or producing unexpected results. Step 4. Implementing security measures. Security is a top priority when working with financial data. You should always use secure protocols such as HTTPS to encrypt your requests and protect sensitive information. Additionally, you should limit access to your API key and never hard-code it in your application. Step 5. Optimizing performance. To optimize performance, you should use pagination to retrieve large datasets, use caching to reduce the number of requests, and avoid making unnecessary requests. You should also monitor your application's performance and adjust your implementation as needed. Best practices for using the Bill.com API SDK. Use the latest version of the SDK to ensure you have the latest features and security patches. Test your application thoroughly to ensure it works as expected and handle errors and exceptions properly. Use secure protocols and protect sensitive information to prevent unauthorized access. Monitor your application's performance and adjust your implementation as needed to optimize performance. Conclusion. By following these best practices, you can build efficient, secure, and scalable integrations with the Bill.com API SDK. Remember to always use the latest version of the SDK. Test your application thoroughly, and prioritize security and performance to get the most out of the Bill.com API SDK.